Hey guys, welcome back to Maddy. If your PC heating up, lag or sounding like jet engine, trust me, 90% chance it's full of dust. So today I'm gonna show you how to clean your PC from the inside using blower. It's super easy and your PC performance will literally feel brand new. Let's start. Alright guys, first thing first, shut down your PC completely and unplug the power cable. Please don't try to clean it while it's on, we are not doing experiments out here. Also unplug keyboard, mouse, HDMI, everything's safety is important. Now remove the side panel. Just look this dust. It's like your PC has been living in a desert. But don't worry, we are about to fix this mess. Now blow the dust out from CPU fan, GPU, power supply area, case fans, corners of the motherboard, bottom of the case. You will literally see clouds of dust flying out. It's super satisfying to watch. If some dust is stuck, use a small brush and gently clean around the CPU cooler and GPU. Don't apply too much force. Once everything clean and shiny, put the side panel back, plug everything in and turn PC on. By the way guys, if you want to make your PC even faster, I have also uploaded another video how to remove temp files and speed up your PC. Make sure to check that one out too. It's super helpful. And that's it for today. Your PC is dust free and ready to use. And that's it guys. If the video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to Maddy and drop a comment if you got any questions. I will see you in the next video.